Hi, welcome you to AB Math. Today we are looking at the complex expression which happens to be Math Olympiad. So we have been given f of n is equals to 1 plus I on square root of 2 all squared, and then plus 1 minus I divided by square root of 2 all to the power n. So let's take it a bit by bit. If we take 1 plus I all on root of 2 and then we square it, so when we square it we can square here and square here, and when we square this one using the binomial expansion, realize that it's going to be 1 squared plus 2i plus I squared, and when we square the square root, it will take that one away, leaving us with a 2. But we have to know that I squared is equals to -1. It's going to give us 1 plus 2i minus 1 because of here, all divided by 2. And here, this and this goes away. And then 2 divided by 2 is 1. So here we will get I. So now let's look at this component too. 1 minus I all on 2 to the power n. I can multiply here by 2 divided by 2. I haven't done nothing wrong. 2 divided by 2 is 1. But that will help us to simplify. So if that is the case, then I can have 1 minus I root of 2 all squared multiplied by n divided by 2. Okay, so I just split it so that I can able to simplify as I did the first piece here. If we do it, we are concentrating here. If I square 1 minus I squared, I will get 1 squared minus 2i plus I squared. And then I will square the root here, and I will take this one away. Get this. But remember, we still have our n divided by 2. If we simplify that, this will be, remember that I squared is going to turn into -1. 1 squared is 1 minus 2i minus 1 all divided by 2 all to the power n over 2. Here, this and this go away, and now we are getting -I because 2 divided by 2 also cross out to the power n on 2. So now we have made it easy so that we can go ahead and then we can evaluate our f of 2018 plus f of 2022. So now we have f of n. We have able to simplify it to be I plus -I raised to the power n over 2. So for us to find our 2018, we get I plus -I, and then 2018 divided by 2, which will be giving us I plus -I. We divide 2018 and divided by 2, and we get 1009, and we keep it as it is. Now we come to f of 2022. That will also give us I plus -I 2022 on 2, and we will get I plus -I 1011. So raised to the power 1011. Now we are bringing it together. F of 2018 plus f of 2022 must be equals to we're adding this, so we get 2i plus negative I to the power 10, 9 plus negative I 10, 11. So here we realize that we can factor something out. There's a repeated. So this is going to be 2i plus, we'll take I to the power 10, 09 out. What is left here is only 1, and then plus negative 1 to the power 2. This equals to 2i plus negative I to the power 1009, and here will be 1 plus 1. So that is equals to 2i plus I to the power 1009 times 2. Now we need to know something here. We know that I squared is equals to negative 1. I cubed is going to be negative I, and we have to know I is equals to I. Then I4 is equals to positive 1. So we can stick with the I4. Multiples of 4 in 1000 are here. The multiples of, we will get 252. So what I mean is that so as we continue to find our f of 2018 plus f of 2022, which is giving us plus, here we divide this by, and we get I to the power 1008 times I times this 2. I wanted the multiples of 4 because we know that the 4 will turn into 1. So here we get I plus this one will turn into 1 because of here. So 1 times I times 2, which is going to be 2i plus I times 2, so which is going to be 2i plus 2i, which is equals to 4i as a final answer. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.